Hi everyone, welcome to Radhu's Food Court. Today I am going to make Pulungari, a delicious kolambu which is sambar without tur dal. Let us see the ingredients. Brinjal, lady's finger, 3 red chilies, fenugreek 2 teaspoons, salt, turmeric powder, asafoetida, grated coconut 1 cup, tamarind 1 lemon size ball soaked in water. We will cook the vegetables in tamarind water by adding turmeric powder, salt and asafoetida. Meanwhile, let us grind roasted grated coconut, red chilies and fenugreek seeds. Our vegetables are cooked well. It is time to add the coconut paste to this. Stir well. Have to add water till we get required consistency. This can serve 4 to 5 people. Finally, let us add the seasoning. Add curry leaves. Now, Pulungari is ready.